Hello, my name is Theresa Charlton, family nurse practitioner, board certified, as well as esthetician and cosmetics. I first heard about Empire Medical actually years ago when I was first doing wound care for my practice or for other doctors. A lot of my patients had instant gratification when it came to wound healing and to debridement. I loved watching how the dermis, how it heals and everything, but then the clients started to give me more of their stories of how they wanted to have full wellness, how they want to feel as beautiful on the outside as well as in, as I'm helping them heal. So I started learning my skills and looking into Empire Medical so I can increase my skill set. Aesthetics, Botox, neuromodulators, lip fillers, everything under the sun. Now I'm totally obsessed with needles, with hydration when it comes to wellness and beauty. Empire Medical, they are a plethora of resources that now look at full circle. We're coming over to learn more things, and I'm so excited to be here again. Some of the individuals in my office knows what I'm obsessed with, knows what my passion is, and said there's gonna be a room you're gonna wanna be in this evening. So she dragged me along and she made sure she put me on the list. Throughout my current career, I am not only training the patients of how to be well, I'm training other nurses on how to improve their skill set as well. So from LPN, RN, I'm not saying that they're going to be the ones doing injections, but they're doing the educations, bringing the clients in pre-op, post-op, helping alongside whatever the procedures are. So I would have loved my class to be in here seeing what just happened with the procedures, the massaging, the education. I literally heard what they said out of my own mouth. I'm so excited about it. So, and even if you're not an aesthetics nurse practitioner, estheticians come in here all around. So it's for you. That's what I'll say right now. Today I came to Empire headquarters to inquire about all their new programs and additional resources that I can improve my aesthetics procedures. Definitely there's always something new to learn from the people that told me from step one. So coming in here, I wanted to hear about any of the new marketing materials that they would be giving to individuals, all of their new product lines, and what they like to use, because that's where I want to hear it from, the horse's mouth specifically. So we were able to walk around and have cute little hand foods while we were able to watch the procedure live. They asked us any questions and they were passing the microphones to everyone. Oh my goodness, so many pictures, so many memories. And I'm definitely gonna use this footage on my other nurses so they can come into the next program. Hello, my name is Theresa Charlton, family nurse practitioner, and I'm welcoming you to join Empire Medical.